Look at these views. Hey guys, welcome to another High Homes video. Today we're in the beautiful coastal town of La Cala de Mijas. Yes, that's right, and we have got a treat for you. The top 5 developments in La Cala de Mijas right now. Are you ready? Let's go. We are in Calanova Collection. This is one of the best plots in La Cala. Look at these views. 154 incredible contemporary apartments from only 520,000 euros. Outdoor pools, landscape garden, gym, and your own shuttle bus to take you down to the center of town. How cool is that? So, welcome to La Cala Swing, the latest new development, a brand new release in the really early stages. 1, 2, and 3 bed apartments, golf front, 4-minute drive to the center of La Cala de Mijas, between Bahia and Dream Golf, a beautiful development, 1 bed from 253,000 euros, and plenty of availability around the 300,000 euros. Perfect investment property, perfect relocation property, and a perfect holiday home investment. So, let's talk about amenities. Pool, landscape gardens, lovely social networking area, and a fully equipped gym. Stop. Right, let's go. So if you're interested in knowing more about La Cala de Mijas, press that button and you can look at our La Cala area guide. So welcome to Cala Serena Sun, an amazing development of 68 semi-detached and townhouses that look like this. 3 and 4 bedroom properties. The entire development is going to be finished in 2026. Fantastic value from 590,000 euros and just a few minutes drive from the town center. You can even walk it within 10 minutes, right? We are at Bahia. Bahia is a Kronos development, a lovely development, 4 minutes drive to the center of the town of La Cala, and plus it's under construction. It's closer to completion and offers really nice, very nice 2 and 3 bedroom properties, ground floors, first floors, penthouses, with nice sea views some and with very nice golf views others. It's Frontline Golf. It is a fantastic development, perfect for full-time living, perfect for relocation, or perfect investment property. We are at Eden, divided in phase 1 and phase 2 right behind us. We have key-ready, semi-detached and townhouse properties, 3 beds, fantastic location, very close to the actual sea, very close to La Cala, and prices from only 595,000 euros. 595 for units that just look exactly like this. Tremendous value and key ready. You just need your suitcase.